back. So we had mostly sunny skies. We made our way through the day today. Temperatures during the daylight hours were pretty cool. We only made it up to 35 degrees into the afternoon. And then after the sunset, we did fall all the way down to 19 and then rose all the way back up again to 37 degrees as the wind picked up. A few clouds made our way through the afternoon, then clear skies into the evening. Here's a look at the high temperatures. So there's your 37 at Scottsbluff. That is the current temperature. That is the high temperature for the day today. A little warmer into the southern panhandle, lower to mid-40s out toward Kimball and Sydney, and upper 30s to near 40 Chadron, Gordon, and Alliance. Here's a look at the current temperatures. 33 at Torrington, lower 30s Harrisburg, Kimball. Cooler air off to the east and northeast of Scottsbluff. Lower 20s Alliance, Bridgeport, Oshkosh, and Chadron has fallen down to 16 degrees. Winds mainly from a westerly direction. They have picked up to around 15 to 25 miles per hour for most of us, and that definitely led to the temperature rising even with the clear skies, even as we made our way through the evening. So the clouds that were into our eastern counties have moved away, mainly clear skies. A few more clouds out towards Cheyenne, even a few snow showers out in that direction, but most of us staying on the dry side. So across the country, we have a low to our south, low to our east, some moisture up in that direction. But for us, a dual high pressure system. You see this on the map, the two highs. That means that sunny skies and warm air is on the way, and that is going to be the story through the weekend when this high really takes charge. We have a nice southerly wind ahead of this system off the coast, which is our next weather maker, which will be here Monday night into Tuesday with a significant snowfall event. So definitely enjoy the weekend, get some things done, prepare for what's coming for Monday and Tuesday. Temperatures after reaching our highs into the upper 30s, we'll fall back into the mid to upper teens as we make our way through the next several hours. That's where our lows will be just after sunrise. And then we are back up into the mid 40s as we go through Saturday with lots of sunshine. Going overnight Saturday into Sunday, mostly clear skies, temperatures falling into the mid to upper teens. And then for Sunday, it should be our warmest day. We have a strong southerly flow ahead of that system that's making its way through. And we'll be into the upper 40s to lower 50s. But already issued for portions of Sheridan and Cherry County, we have a winter storm watch. That is ahead of our next system. The winter storm watch goes into effect Monday night at 11 p.m. and lasts all the way through Thursday at 5 a.m. It's lasting until Thursday because we think that there's going to be blowing snow, possibly blizzard conditions, a couple of days after the system ends. So we'll definitely get into that right now. There's your sunshine, strong southerly flow for the weekend, nice temperatures, and that low pressure system will remain over the Rockies through the weekend and dump a lot of snow out in that direction. As it moves off to our south and to our east, the snow will start here on Monday evening. A major rain event for central Nebraska and eastern Nebraska. But as that low moves a little further east, we have a lot of moisture on the cool side of the system, heavy and steady snow through the day on Tuesday. And as it continues to move off to the east and north, maybe windy with blizzard conditions through Tuesday night, possibly into early Wednesday morning. Look how heavy this snow is, and there is a lot of it. Now, as we go through Wednesday, there could still be a little bit of falling snow, but we think the main threat will be the windy conditions, giving us really cold air and blowing snow through Wednesday. I wouldn't be surprised if we did have blizzard warnings and they lasted a day to maybe a day and a half after the snow stopped falling because of the windy conditions and the blowing snow. And this snow is not going anywhere because it'll be very cold and windy as we go through Thursday and possibly into Friday. But the end of the work week should be dry. So the warm air that we have over us over the weekend will move away, followed by cool air through most of next week. And for Monday and Tuesday, that jet stream will move off to our south and to our east. And this low pressure system definitely will develop. When it develops off to our south and to our east, that is a pattern for a lot of snow for us. Too early to talk about snowfall amounts. But as you can see with these purples on the map, the purple is a foot of snow. So you're seeing into portions of western South Dakota, a foot to a foot and a half of snow. And I wouldn't be surprised if valley locations from Scottsbluff down toward Bridgeport do pick up around 9 to 12 inches of snow from this event, with higher amounts into the northern panhandle and into the southern panhandle. We'll keep our eyes on this one as we go through the weekend, but definitely prepare for a storm. So over the weekend, mid-40s to lower 50s, lots of sunshine. 39 your high on Monday. Snow starting into the evening, lasting through the day on Tuesday, heavy and steady, and windy with possibly blizzard conditions. Wednesday, some snow showers, but the main issue will be blowing snow. And then Thursday and Friday, lower 20s with partly cloudy skies. The wind finally dying down, but the temperature going nowhere. And just remember, we do have weather alert days for Monday and Tuesday. Angel?
Thanks, Justin. WNBA star Brittany Griner returns to the U.S. this morning. Griner was arrested at the Moscow airport in February after authorities found vape canisters with cannabis oil in her luggage. President Biden